Here is how to build a skincare Shopify website. 9. Start in your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left side menu, click Products, then click Add Product to create your first skincare listing. Enter the product title and write the description with the details customers need to see, including the product type, key ingredients, the intended skin type, the size, and directions for use. This is the main product page content, so keep it specific to the item you are adding. Next, upload clear product images that show the skincare item itself and the packaging. Make sure the photos match the product being sold so the listing stays consistent. Then enter the product price and complete the inventory information. If the product comes in different sizes, formulas, or bundles, add those as options or variants so each version is available from the same product page. 9. Finish the remaining product details and click Save. After that, repeat the same process for the rest of the skincare products you plan to sell. Once your products are in place, go to Products and then Collections. Create collections to organize the catalog into groups such as cleansers, serums, moisturizers, and skincare sets. This helps structure the store and gives customers a clearer path through their product range. 9. When the products and collections are ready, go to Online Store and then Themes. Find the theme you want to use for the skincare website and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, adjust the logo, colors, typography, header, and announcement bar so the storefront matches your skincare brand. Then add the homepage sections you want to feature, including featured products, collections, promotional banners, product benefits, and brand information. Arrange those homepage sections in the order you want visitors to see them. This controls the flow of the storefront from the top of the page down. When you are done with the theme changes, click Save. 9. Next, go to Online Store and then Navigation. Configure your menus so customers can reach your products, collections, and important pages without extra searching. After that, open Settings, then Payments, and set up the payment methods you want to accept. Then go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, and configure your shipping rates and delivery options based on how you want orders fulfilled. Before finishing, preview the skincare website and check that the products, collections, navigation, and checkout all display correctly and work as expected. Look through the storefront the way a customer would and confirm that the menu links, collection pages, and product pages are pointing to the right places. Thanks for watching. Your skincare Shopify website is now built with products, collections, navigation, payments, shipping, and a customized storefront.